How to make YouTube thumbnail in less than 3 minutes using Meta AI. Open your Messenger or WhatsApp. Choose one. Click Meta AI at the lower right portion. Ask Meta AI to create a thumbnail. You can simply say something like, "Create a thumbnail about AI." Yes. Put robot in flying car. Yes, make it realistic and unique. Change the background to futuristic place. Replace the computer with other future AI technology. Yes. Yes. If you're okay with the photo, choose one and save. Open your editing apps like InShot. You can add some text and logo on your thumbnail. Then save. Open the photo and try to enhance and adjust. Adjust the shadows, black point, and saturation. After editing, don't forget to save. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.